Mana sih building outside Anggrek? খাবারটা এসে গেছে হ্যাঁ
Didn't start yet, but you can.
Good morning, everyone. I would just like to say that we'll allow everyone around 5 minutes to join and then we can start. People are joining slowly, one by one. So I think they'll need another 5 minutes and then we'll start. Thank you.
I'll see.
Good morning, everyone, again. Thank you to those who have already joined. I think we are still having people joining, but we should start, and hopefully by 9 a.m. everyone would have joined. We will start with Justice Michael Black, the head of the DIFC Court's Digital Economy Division. Judge Michael, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, and I will just join by video. There we are. Good morning.
Perfect.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests. I am Justice Michael Black, Judge in charge of the Digital Economy Court Division, and I was appointed to the DIFC courts in July 2022 under Decree number 29 of 2022 by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE. It's my great pleasure to address you all this morning for what is the first virtual court, moot court of the DIFC courts. And what better context for this virtual moot court than the newly drafted rules of the Digital Economy Court Division. The Digital Economy Court was established in 2021 with a mandate to simplify the settlement process of complex civil and commercial disputes related to the digital economy, including national and international claims related to current and emerging technology, such as smart contracts, decentralized finance, big data, blockchains, cryptocurrencies, artificial intelligence, and cloud services. The Court for the Digital Economy complements the already established specialized divisions of the DIFC courts, including the Technology and Construction Division and the Arbitration Division. These were launched by the DIFC courts to meet the increasing demand for judicial expertise in cases related to specific sectors. Following the announcement of this dedicated division, a global panel of lawyers led by Tom Montague-Smith, King's Counsel, and Matthew Watson of 3VB Chambers, London, and industry experts were tasked to draft and confirm new specialized rules in 2022, which were also subject to a 30-day public consultation. The final draft of the rules is currently awaiting the final approval of His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Deputy Ruler of Dubai, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Finance, and President of the Dubai International Financial Center. The new Part 58 of the rules of the DIFC courts will facilitate the efficient and modern resolution of digital economy disputes, standardizing the use of smart forms to provide information through dynamic, artificial-driven platforms. In line with the court's paperless mandate, cases will also be conducted using advanced digital systems with a view to reducing the environmental impact of the court proceedings. Above all, the rules provide for flexibility. Anyone who believes they can truly predict how the digital economy will develop and the disputes it will throw up is either deluding themselves or is going to be a billionaire. Although possibly, as we've seen rather recently, for a relatively short period of time. Thursday's London Times legal section contained an article with the headline, "Crypto Chaos as Litigation Looms," and spoke of the need of the law to develop new procedures to meet the challenges of emerging technologies. What these rules hopefully give to the court and to the parties is the greatest possible freedom to craft the procedure to fit the individual case. It is a bold and groundbreaking initiative. And what better way to road test these rules and to put them in the hands of the next generation of lawyers? The response to the request for participation in this moot court was immense. We have 18 teams competing over the next 2 days, drawn from national and international students and universities, comprising Middlesex University, University of Exeter, University of Reading, Hamad bin Khalifa University, University of Bolton Academic Center, Amity University, Dubai, the University of Benin, the Lebanese University, the School of Oriental and African Studies, SOAS, the University of London, and the St. Joseph University, Dubai. They are going to grapple with a fiendishly difficult problem set by the fiendishly clever Matthew Watson, with a little help from Tom Montague-Smith. I would also like to express my warm thanks and appreciation to our 27 judges, all of whom have generously offered their expertise and given their time from their weekends. Finally, please allow me to make special mention of our partners for this moot court. Middlesex University, our knowledge partner, and Web9A, our IT partner, both of whom give us immense technical support over the past few months with the preparations for this event, and to whom we are extremely grateful. So with that, I'm not going to detain you any longer and delay those who are chomping at the bit to get on with the competition. So all I can do is wish everybody the best of luck, and may the best team win.
Thank you very much, Judge Michael Black. Next, we have Dr. Tenya Kiryazi, the Deputy Director, Academic Operations and Head of Law and Politics at Middlesex University, who would like to say a few words as well.
Thank you, Delvin. I don't know if you can see me.
I can see you.
Hear
yes.
me?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you. I'm delighted to open this moot competition today. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. The DIFC courts are always at the forefront of innovation, openness, and collaboration in line with the strategy and the vision of the government of Dubai and its leaders. And the Department of Law and Politics at Middlesex University, Dubai, has always been committed to building strong partnerships with the industry in the region and beyond, with regulators, with professional bodies, with law firms, with judicial institutions, and all other stakeholders, and to creating platforms for the development of employability and advocacy skills for students. This moot is fully aligned with this commitment. Mooting builds value advocacy skills for students and helps them to prepare for successful careers in litigation and alternative dispute resolution. I'm so happy to see so many teams from all around the world participating in this moot over the next 2 days, and I hope that this is the first moot of a series of moot courts in this court. I know that for some of our teams, this is a bit too early in the day, so we're grateful for their participation. Thank you to Anna Always for providing the platform for this and for being committed to the development of a strong legal talent in the region and beyond. Thank you, Justice Michael Black, for supporting this initiative and for allowing student talent to shine. I want to thank my team, led by Yasmin Seba and Samantha Roberts for Middlesex University, for all their hard work, all their pro bono hard work to prepare this moot. And of course, Delvin Sumov and her team from DIFC Courts. We are very, very grateful to all the lawyers who accepted our invitation to participate as judges and to prepare the questions and to work with us to prepare this moot. Your contribution is highly appreciated. And of course, we thank all the teams and coaches for their commitment to supporting legal talent and wish them all good luck for this mooting competition. And an advice to students, if I may, keep engaging with all these extracurricular activities and opportunities to build your skills inside and outside the classroom. This will make your learning journey a meaningful and effective one. And one day, not too many years later, maybe you will be sitting as judges and helping other students build skills and hope and aspire to successful careers. So best of luck to everyone, and best of luck to the teams and to the DIFC Courts for this amazing competition. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that, Tanya. Next, we have Vishwam Jindal, the co-founder and CEO of Webinay, our IT partner.
Thank you, Delvin. Good morning, everybody. It is a great privilege to support this partnering moot court competition, one that I hope will be the first of many to come. On behalf of Webinay, I would like to thank the Dubai International Financial Center and Middlesex University for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this initiative. As some of you may already know, I was until recently practicing as a disputes lawyer at DLA Piper in Dubai. So my association with the DIFC courts as a solicitor goes back several years. I'm delighted to be able to continue this association in my new professional chapter as a startup founder. At Webinay, we're building the technology for dispute resolution. Our technology is custom built for all stakeholders in a dispute, ranging from courts and arbitration centers to judges and arbitrators, for solicitors, barristers, and in-house counsel, for witnesses of fact and experts, and finally, for the parties and litigants, ranging from multinational companies to individual litigants. Taking a cue from Mr. Justice Black, I want to spend a minute on dispute resolution for the digital economy. As Professor Richard Susskind aptly put in his book, courts are a service, not a place. If this is true, it's time that we fundamentally redefine how we look at dispute resolution for the future. As the speed of transactions and execution of contracts increase and become more decentralized and distributed, courts and arbitrators require new age processes, technology, and rules to resolve disputes efficiently and quickly to deliver justice. If we continue to rely on traditional court methods and processes, then nobody but we ourselves are to blame. At Webinay, we are building technology to minimize human effort, optimize output, and improve efficiency through three key pillars: automation, convenience, and transparency. Our core idea is simple: to make justice truly accessible. This idea received a significant impetus during the pandemic when business as usual, including at judicial institutions, came to a standstill and dispute resolution had to move online. While the pandemic is hopefully behind us, we at Webinay believe that there is a dire need to work towards making dispute resolution faster, accessible, and above all, more meaningful and relevant for all. Purpose-built and well-designed technology is the key to unlock this opportunity and not being left behind. I'm proud to say that in the limited time that we have been operating, we have serviced courts, international arbitral institutions, and lawyers and arbitrators from over 25 countries. We're also servicing on a continuous basis over 150 companies in India, including financial institutions, companies in the technology, media, and entertainment sector, including multinationals like Netflix and Amazon Prime, and some crypto and blockchain startups. By working closely with the relevant stakeholders, we have worked tirelessly to refine our platform's features and user interface to make dispute resolution a seamless process. Finally, I want to emphasize that we must all be mindful of our carbon footprint. And as Dubai prepares to host COP28 in 2023, it is critical to work towards reducing the carbon footprint for resolving disputes. A study conducted by an international law firm in 2019 revealed that carbon footprint to resolve a one medium-sized dispute is about 531 kgs of carbon dioxide emissions, which requires planting of up to 20,000 trees to offset its effect on the environment. Another study compared the carbon impact and expense of virtual hearings with in-person hearings, and the conclusion was that in-person hearings result in 19 times more emissions than virtual hearings. In this regard, I would like to congratulate and thank the DIFC courts for putting together a virtual Moot court competition. To conclude, on behalf of WebNI, I wish all the students well for this competition and look forward to interacting with most of you virtually. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vishwam. With that, I think we've come to the end of the introductions. Before we start with the first session of the Moot court, we have Ajaz Auni from our IT department who will in short explain to everyone how the platform works and how you should get into your correct breakout room so that everyone knows how they should navigate through the platform. Ajaz, please, could you explain in short to everyone how we should get to the correct breakout rooms?
Hi, good morning, everybody. I'll share my screen quickly so that I'll be able to show you. It's straight process. Let me know if you can see my screen, please.
Yes, Ajaz.
Okay, so when you join, this is your home page. Those are your rounds open. Right now, we have joined the main hall here. So we'll click back to the anytime logo. You will be back to the normal page. Here is your breakout rooms, the session rooms, rounds. You can click your session and you can click join the hearing. And then there are two rooms. One is for the judge and one is your courtroom. In the courtroom, you can click join the call and it will log in to your room. So it's quite straight. It's not that difficult. If you guys have any problem with this, please do let us know. Send us an email. We'll be helping you with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ajaz. Are there any questions from anyone so far before we start? Okay, perfect. Thank you everyone who has joined and thank you for the introductions. I think with that, we can start. And please everyone, try now to go to your breakout rooms so we can start with the sessions at 9 a.m. Thank you.